Oh, he knows. He got you there.
Remember the song? Is this not my jam? Is this not my jam? Whoa. It's pretty serious.
I'm saying you gotta go to Adventure Lil Wayne though. Let me go to Adventure Lil Wayne though.
What, I mean like this?
No, more like.
I just played that. Then I just,
You did not.
I did not just play that. I did not just play that.
You did not just play this, bro.
I did not just play that.
So all up
I did not just play that.
So I'm already ahead of you, bro. Get him, son. Get him. Go ahead. You. You look like a star, bro. Where you see me? I want your grandmama, nigga. I'm a deep boy. Yes, I'm a
Why are you guys endorsing this?
But you ain't got that. Oh my God. Hold on. What's up?
But you ain't got this.
Hey!
I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. I bet you ain't got that, nigga.
We searching the repertoire.
No?
Damn, what's old though?
Oh, right. Oh, I got you.
I'm saying them.
Go ahead.
I'm saying them. Talking about nasty joints. They don't get much better than Martin.
What?
I got that Marvin. Hold on.
Talking about nasty joints though.
You mean this one?
No, you thought, bro.
You mean this one? You mean this one?
Whoa. Let it be known on Facebook.
I got y'all.
got killed. Tommy Marvin.
You mean this Marvin? You mean this Marvin? You mean this Marvin? You mean this Marvin?
It's over.